once they get cited, they can.
Okay. Tu carro está allá, ¿verdad? Entonces te puedes ir en tu carro y te puedes ir. ¿Ah? Ok, entonces quédate aquí.
Tendré una pregunta yo aquí. Es lo que dice que por razas y por el no sé, no yo que
No más ponle gallo.
¿Cuánto tiempo tiene con él? No sé cuánto tiene el puro.
Mira, puedes usar esto.
Si no querrás ver eso, no lo veas.
¿De qué estás hablando?
Los federales.
Es una ciudad de motociclistas, la gente viene y va. ¿Pero bolsas de cadáveres? La muerte de Alex Salgado fue un accidente. Él mismo se ató al capó de su auto. Mire, sé que no fue un accidente. Creo que quizás una venganza. ¿Tiene algún sospechoso? Hasta ahora no. Luego nos referimos. ¿Cuánto tiempo se queda? ¿Cuánto tiempo queda? En esa esquina. Tus dedos no han sanado. Ese es rumbos tuyos.
Are you good if a female says she's released to 6
So yeah, she can go. She can go to the vet. Did we get everybody cited? All that
I
good
think
stuff.
you got everyone, yeah.
Yeah, I'm good with that. And then there's gonna be some in the shed too, but
Oh, is it? Okay.
yeah,
Other residents.
they're going back and forth, but
Okay.
you can hear the ones back in the
I
shed.
think that's where the Asian ones are.
Yeah.
No hay rastro de él.
Sigue buscando.
Sí, señor.
The other guy came to drop off because they're going to Mexico and they're sending family in Mexico close.
Oh yeah. I mean, my neighbors used to do this growing up. This is the first time getting a call against the police.
This there's been a few, but like other trains, like at least the ones it hasn't been like a location, right? Like because it's clearly set up. And pen, they can stay jump, like, pop them out, like do all that other stuff. But like a lot of the ones that I'll get close to, it'd be like just a couple of dudes in a backyard. You know what I mean? Because you get that much in the Southwest, but it would literally just be like one dude from 3 houses up, one dude from and they go, and by the time you get there, like there's feathers and nothing. You know what I mean?
So you've never seen it like organized like this?
No.
How many? You said like 17?
Oh, there should be a bunch in the shed, but there's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. But then in the shed though, there should be some like these ones. They're roostering, and then the ones that are in there are back. But I bet you the ones that are hurt are the ones in there.
What do you mean the roostering?
Cock-a-doodle-doodle.
Oh. You mean roosting?
Roostering. Roosterizing.
Roosting, right? Roosting. Dude, Laura knew right away. He knows that. He was like, you should be able to hear it before
Yep, they tie those to the feet.
So you've seen this too?
And then these are custom. They hook into their heels. See that? They have those bumps in their heels. They're custom made, and they hook on the stuff to them. Yeah.
So where does
this little thing, right here, so this, yeah, so this has a wax on it, and it helps it, tighten them on their feet. So they use these. This goes under the spolon, the thing, the calcium buildup thing that they have right there. It gets tied up on there. This goes around their leg. This gets some thread in there, gets tied. Then you stop about halfway through. Then you place this knife on there, about so, right there.
Oh, there's more in here.
Yeah.
So,
who's gonna fuck you up, bro? When they come look.
so they, you might be careful because if they took off and they still have the knife on there and they kick you, they're gonna snap you up.
Oh yeah.
I mean, I'm not talking about like little they.
How
They'll
Be
rip
sure
your
to
shit
go to
up.
the car when they open that.
Yo, I
So-
have a beanbag. Do you want a beanbag or?
So once they do that, then they finish tying it off and
There's 21s right here.
then you just tie it off. That's it.
He they probably play him too.
Oh, yeah,
Well,
they took
he's
him out.
young. He's young.
Yeah, they said that
Young. He's probably not ready yet.
he said that he's
Look at this, dude.
he's in that business too of cockfighting.
Yeah, that dog's not anywhere close to it, and that dog's not.
They're probably training him.
He hasn't turned yet.
So that fool dog fights too?
Yeah, I guess
There should
he
be
invites people with he invites people here and then he also invites he invites spectators and he invites.
So I don't know about full, but there's definitely some in there you can hear them. But
Hey.
don't know what they're going from, but you can hear them going back in. You can hear them in there.
It sounds good.
Yeah.
They might be in boxes like those. So those are usually the ones they use to like transport.
Yeah.
Actually, that's good that they have those.
Yeah.
No, hijo, no sé la verdad.
Oh, it might be already in the box.
They have those. He's on the side.
Are they in those boxes in the back?
So that one was getting, this one was getting ready to fight. They were getting ready to fight this one. If Bill doesn't have the knife, I can grab it if you want.
That's right there. He's up. He's all excited.
Yeah, I can grab it.
So how often do the neighbors do this?
My old neighbors were.
Give me one of those boxes. You can,
Hey,
please.
can you pass me one of those boxes? Gracias, por favor.
I just don't want to start. You see that string? What's on the string?
I don't think there's not a knife attached to it yet, so he's getting ready. Either they were just, they had already taken it from me.
Standing around the backyard, following for a few days, and they're jumping their back down, disperse them.
Yeah, so they're getting ready to. He's
Yeah,
got
so-
one of his that's already.
So I guess one of them is asking for an ID, says that one of you guys grab it. So, all your signs that were fine.
Right.
I didn't take no one's ID, I just like took the 49.
On site for 20 minutes outside of the
So this one was getting ready to fight?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's either getting ready to fight or already fought and won.
Yeah,
Oh yeah,
his
it
beak
has
has,
injuries.
yeah, he has blood on his beak too.
Yeah, so he already fought.
Yep.
He got some injuries.
Here,
So.
where's the, is that the box? Oh yeah, never mind, that's not the right box.
put
We'll
him in
take
there?
him, no, don't put him in there. We'll just put him inside of my unit, in the back. He's tired.
Isn't it?
What are they working on? That vacant? Is it a vacant property?
See, I don't know because they have somebody that's like
Peeking out?
yeah. So I don't know what the initial call was that they're on, but they're looking for somebody.
Okay,
and
who's
have
gonna
some-
help me get these roosters?
I don't think I'd ever see this. I thought more
I'm
like
gonna send some memes later on about how we felt. ¿O saco el otro? ¿Quiere que se vaya sacando el otro o no?
Espérese un
Espero allá.
momento, sí.
Ok. Espero ahí, ya. Ok.
He's coming back with it.
Some other guy showed what I'm saying, that the dog belongs to him. The dog belongs to him, and he was here to breed the dogs.
That's the dog that I took from him. It's not his no more.
On this side.
Here, you can go ahead and do this one.
Va a ser mejor agarrarlo sin la toallita.
Está bien, como quieras.